Hello everyone, this is my first YouTube testimonial regarding my skin and trying to improve the hyperpigmentation in it. Just to give you a little background on my skin, I've had adult acne probably since I was about 21, which has been about 11 years now. I just recently, probably within the last 3 years, started to see a dermatologist and started following a regimen with the dermatologist. And so after going to see the dermatologist a few times and him telling me that if I just used the regimen that they were giving me, that it would take about a year for my skin to be totally clear, I decided to just take some initiative on my own regarding the situation. And so last Friday, I actually had my first microdermabrasion session. So just to give you a little look at my skin, you can see the hyperpigmentation here on my left cheek. You can even see some fine bumps there. Right here under my chin, you see where it's peeling, which we'll talk about a little bit later. And then you can see here on my right cheek, and then here on my forehead where there's very little hyperpigmentation. And so I incorporated the microdermabrasion because I watched some videos on YouTube and saw some testimonials that people had done regarding chemical peels. And so when I went and had my consultation, she told me that I didn't need a chemical peel, that I should just incorporate the microdermabrasion. So when I had the procedure done last Friday, they told me not to use any spot remover or anything like that on my skin because it might be too harsh, because it was too early. And so just to give you a little direction on what I do regarding my skin, I'm just going to show you a few things. So what I do is wash my face twice a day. I just recently started doing this. This is really only day 3 because I just started my old regimen and combined it after the microdermabrasion. So I'm just trying to start anew and do the right thing from the beginning. So this will be day 3. And as you can see from previously, I'm already peeling just from applying a spot remover once a day. Okay, so what I typically do in the morning is I wash my face with the Dove Sensitive Skin Body Wash combined with betadine. And normally betadine is applied to, you may have seen something like this in hospitals where they apply it to bandages or wounds or something like that. But it helps fight infection. It helps keeps you from getting pimples and things like that, and just cleanses your skin. Keeps your skin from being infected, your pores from being infected. Okay, and so that's what I wash my face with in the morning when I first get up. If I'm going somewhere and I'm going to apply makeup, I just put the makeup on top of that after I apply moisturizer. Now, Apply Moisturizers by Aveeno. It has a sunscreen in it, and I think it's a radiant moisturizer or something like that. Also have a clear complexion moisturizer. I normally interchange them day by day because that actually peels your skin as well because it has peroxide. And so I use that moisturizer, and whether or not I put my makeup on or I don't, I still apply it, because what the dermatologist told me is that the skin actually bleaches. It doesn't bleach your skin, it darkens the dark spots. So that's why it's important for you to have like a sunscreen or a moisturizer that contains a sunscreen on your face at all times, no matter what, when you're leaving out and you're going to be exposed to the sun, because it's very bad for your skin. So in the evening, let's just say in that morning, I actually apply makeup, and then in the evening when I get home and I want to wind down, when I wash my face, I wash the makeup off with the Dove body wash and the betadine combined, just like I do in the morning. But then I wash my face with Panoxyl, which is just a peroxide-based facial wash. Is something similar to something that was prescribed to me by a dermatologist. That's like $100, and this was about $4. But it's the same thing. You can use it on your face, your chest, and your back. And I only use it in the evening because it does have the peroxide in it. It does dry your skin out. So after I do the Dove and the betadine, then I wash my face with this. And then I apply the spot remover. I only put the spot remover on the dark spots. I don't rub it in or anything like that. I just lightly apply it. And you could actually still be able to see the white spots on my face after I applied it, because I don't rub it in at all. And it's a custom-made spot remover. It does have hydroquinone in it. I actually went to a pharmacy called Concord Pharmacy here in Atlanta, and they mix it on site, and they'll either mail it to you or you can wait and get it there. So this is what I use. It's recommended that you refrigerate it because it will melt if the room temperature is too high. So that's what I've been doing. As I said before, this is day 3, and my goal is to have my skin virtually clear within about 8 weeks. And so this is the first video. Stay tuned for the next one.